Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing, like and share. In this channel we do everything wig, install and all that. So if you are interested in videos like this, please stay tuned and keep on watching. Please click the link in my description box if you want to order any wig, and let's get started. Alright guys, so if you haven't watched my video where I showed you guys how to do this ball cap method, please click the link down below, or you click the card at the right hand to watch. So after the ball cap, now I'm putting her wig on to see where I will need to put the glue and all that. I'm just eyeballing it, and I'm going to put 3 layers of both hold active. And if you're in China and you want the same glue, you can add me on WeChat with the link that says to order a wig on in my description box, and I will get one for you. So I'm going to put 3 layers as I mentioned, let it dry and stick the wig on her hairline from the center, and I move to the sides just like I'll show you in the video. Keep on watching. Alright guys, so the glue is dry, clear, just like so, and then I will take her lace and place it at the center. You have to tell the client to help you hold it so that you can put the lace at the center before moving to the sides. So when you're done, you have to press it very well so that it sticks to her hairline, and then you move on with putting the rubber band to get that melt. So now when I'm done pressing the lace on her skin until I'm satisfied it's glued, I'll have to cut the extra lace. I just do this scraping method. I find this scraping method more natural, because when I'm done pressing the lace in front, it looks so melted and natural like you see. So when I'm done cutting it, I will use the rubber band to press it down, and then I'll go ahead and style her wig in whatever way the client wants it. So guys, right now I'm just styling the wig, just putting some loose curls, because she got this wig from the factory, from the Chinese factory, and it's not really that full. It doesn't hold curls that well. So whatever I'm doing now is just to give that wavy look, you know. So she will have to be doing this almost every time. But they're all also better hair that keeps curls, but this one doesn't keep curls. So I'll go ahead and finish curling, and then come back, do the baby hairs, and show you how it looks like. Also guys, if you want to see how I made wigs or install other wigs, you can check. I have a playlist for wig install and also a playlist for wig making one-on-one. And if also you want a video to show you guys how to style a wig like curls and give this wavy looks, you can leave your comments down below. And any other video you want to see, I will show you guys on my channel. If you want any other video, check out my other videos, check out everything in my description box, or just go to my channel, check out every other video. So guys, you can see how melted it is after removing the rubber band. Okay guys, so like I always mention in my videos, you need a hot comb if you are wearing a wig. You need a hot comb if you install wigs. You need a hot comb if you make wigs. So this hot comb is just going to help you separate the hair, help you to style it according to how you want it, or maybe give you that dimension which you need. I don't know if that's a word. Anyways, just give you that smooth finishing install. So guys, when I'm done with the hot comb, I'll just cut the baby hairs. This time I didn't use any gel or mousse to do the baby hairs. I just used my got2b spray. It makes it natural as well. Your got2b spray, you spray it on the hairline, and then just use your comb or your brush to style it the way you want. Baby hairs doesn't have a specific way of styling, just depends on the individual, and nobody is an expert for baby hair. So guys, this is what I got. It looks natural as well. You can also use, like I said, you can also use got2b spray. You spray it on the hairline, then you just control the hair the way you want and make your own baby hairs. It still look natural, but you have to, it doesn't last, but it looks natural. You can also do that every other time you want to wear the same wig or want to go out. So guys, that is the finished look. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.